This is the assembly of base module of Maze Adventure series. It's a DIY educational maze that you build yourself. Put the kit ID in the search box to access the latest documentation. Here is the overview of the kit. Here you can find the related videos. These are the tools you need to build this kit. This is the inventory of the kit, including parts and components. These are the parts of this kit. Let's sort them first, then we will move to assembly. We'll start by assembling the side towers. Each layer gets smaller in size from bottom to top. To ensure the layers are correctly aligned, use the guide holes provided. Temporarily use 3 screws as shown here. Put the screws through the guide holes to ensure the layers are aligned. Put glue between the layers to secure them. These are the guide holes for the screws. Here we put temporary screws through the 3 guide holes to ensure the layers are correctly aligned. They will be removed after the glue hardens. Apply glue to each layer and place the next layer on top. Keep pressure on the layers using a clamp or weight. Do the same for the next tower. Please note the towers are mirror of each other. They are not exact copies. Here we put temporary screws through the 3 guide holes to ensure the layers are correctly aligned. They will be removed after the glue hardens. Apply glue to each layer and place the next layer on top. Keep pressure on the layers using a clamp or weight. Next, we assemble the base layer. The layers have 4 guide holes to ensure proper alignment. These are the guide holes. Insert the screws, assemble the layers, and apply glue between each layer. Use a clamp or weight to ensure the layers harden correctly. Allow a few hours for the glue to cure and harden. Then place the pads at the bottom of the base to add spacing. Apply glue to each pad and place it in the correct position. Then place a weight to ensure the glue hardens properly. Allow a few hours for the glue to cure and harden. Next, we are going to install the main hard wire of the maze. We need to pass the wire through the wire holes. We use 2 heat shrinks at the start and the end of the wire as safe stop points for the maze. First, place the heat shrink in position. Then pass the wire through the holes in the 2 side towers. Bend the ends of the hard wire to secure it. Make a small hook at the end of the wire to ensure it remains safe and secure in place. After securing the hard wire, solder a wire to the main maze hard wire. Now we are joining the top and bottom sections together. Secure them using glue. To secure each tower, use 3 long screws from the top and 1 small screw from the bottom. Apply glue in the proper places. Secure with screws and use clamps or weights to maintain pressure until the glue cures. This is the fun part. Adjust and shape the hard wire into any shape you prefer. Then add and introduce the maze handle to the maze hard wire. Allow a few hours for the glue to cure and harden. This is how the wiring should be done for this maze adventure series. When the maze handle wire touches the main maze wire, it acts like a set button on the flip-flop and changes the flip-flop state to the set state. The flip-flop remains in that state until the handle stops touching the maze wire and the reset button is pressed. This flip-flop kit acts like a memory, and this is how computer memory works. This flip-flop is a memory with storage capacity of 1 bit. This is how the wiring should be done for this maze adventure series. Here we connect the handle wire and the maze main connector to the set button section of the flip-flop. Here we connect the power wires according to the diagram. Secure the PCBs to the base using screws and nuts. To test the maze, connect a 9-volt battery. You can use a disposable or a rechargeable battery and start playing. When the handle hook touches the main maze hardwire, it sets the flip-flop to the set state, and the output of module 1 is connected to module 2, which is a notification module. To reset the maze, first ensure the handle hook is not touching the main wire, then press the reset button. Now your DIY Maze Adventure Series educational kit is complete.